To start using the pen tool in Affinity, first select it by either clicking the pen tool icon on the left toolbar or simply pressing the P key on your keyboard. The pen tool places anchor points, little dots, that build your lines, and each point can have handles that bend and shape your curve. So a single click gives you a straight line, while click and drag creates a smooth flowing curve. Affinity also gives you helpful pen modes like Pen Mode for complete Bezier precision, Smart Mode for automatic smooth curves without much tweaking, Polygon Mode for straight, sharp edges, and Line Mode for quick, single-line segments. Every point you add can be converted between sharp, smooth, or smart, which lets you decide if you want angles or buttery smooth curves. Plus, you can change fill color, stroke width, toggle mask mode, and set different stroke styles to match your design perfectly. Once your path is drawn, Affinity gives you powerful editing options like Close Curve to turn your line into a complete shape, Split Curve or Break Curve to open or cut your paths, Smooth Curve to clean up messy lines, and Join Curves to connect multiple lines into one clean object. You can also enable Use Line Style and Use Fill to automatically apply color to stroke and the inside of your shape as you draw. If this helped you learn the pen tool, make sure to like this video and subscribe right now for more easy Affinity tutorials.